Taxonomy for the most part has stayed the same, except now it gets some of the same benefits that content types and blocks get as well. Let's take a quick look. I'm going to go to Structure, and then Taxonomy in Drupal 7, and in Drupal 8, it's in the same place, Structure, Taxonomy. The only difference in this interface here is that through the drop-down button in Drupal 8, we can access the fields and display, whereas in Drupal 7, we would have to click Edit Vocabulary in order to get to those pages. In Drupal 8, I'm going to go to the drop-down and select Edit Vocabulary. I'm going to also close out the toolbar. So just like with content types, we now see a Manage Form display, so we can adjust the layout of the edit form for tags. In the fields, I'm going to click Manage Fields in 7 and 8. The same interface changes that apply to content types also apply here. The Add New Field and Add Existing Field forms are now part of a multi-step process that started by clicking the Add Field button. In Drupal 8, we have a Manage Form display, which we don't have in Drupal 7, and we'll have some additional options in the Manage Display tab as well, including the ability to use custom view modes.